welcome back to yet another Dream Star Chaos vlogs. I just did a poll yesterday night asking you guys what kind of content you really enjoy, like vlogs, makeup, skincare, challenges, and to my surprise you guys said you like watching vlogs, and vlogs are my favorite to make because I get to look big her 24/7 without feeling guilty. So that is that. Today is the 3rd of August, it's Raksha Bandhan day, and it's also a Monday. I just did my weight check and I've gained a kilo. Well, I mean, it was kind of worth it because I did have a lot of pani puri yesterday, and then before that I had misal pav. So yeah, I don't know what exactly I was expecting. I was still hoping for some miracle to happen and for me to not gain any weight, but that's not an issue. We're gonna roll with it. It is what it is. Makes sense. This entire week I've been trying to perfect my August month by planning, and I'm not the kind who plans a lot, and I was really stressing out about the whole planning situation. Also the fact my Instagram is dead, वो भी tension ले रही थी मैं, and कुछ कर नहीं रही थी मैं, बस tension ले रही थी. So that is one thing do not do. Don't stress. Try journaling. I haven't journaled in this entire week, so see, it all comes down to me gaining weight. Anyways, woo, that look, I'm nailing it. But yeah, right now it is almost 10ish something. Okay, excuse the lighting situation, I'm clearly using natural light. Anyway, with all of that being said, I got my Nykaa's Pink Hot Sale package just yesterday, and I kept it outside to sanitize and everything, and it's kind of disgusting and really wet, and I'm kind of gross, but I don't have a lot of stuff, so I thought I'll just share with you in this vlog. But what I need to take a shower is in there, and I'm really excited, so we're gonna quickly open it up. Wow, I'm really nailing this. But ta-da! This is everything that I got. The first thing that I have is this Love Beauty Planet body wash, and I'm so excited to smell this. Ooh, I like it. Ooh, I really like it. And it is the coconut and mimosa flower variant, and I wasn't sure if it was going to smell like coconut because I'm not a big fan of the scent, but it does not smell like coconut, and it's still very sweet and flowery, so maybe it's the mimosa flower that it smells like. And to match with it, I have along with that, I have the Mimosa body lotion. I really like to match my lotions with my body washes because then the smell lingers for much longer, and I'm totally about that vibe. And I'm gonna open this post shower, obviously. I have this, and this is, if you know, my favorite 9 to 5 compact. It's by Lakme, and this is in the shade, I'm not sure. I think I took up natural something, yeah, natural light, and I ran out of this, and that is why I purchased this and this only. And because it was my birthday month, I was supposed to get a free gift. Last time I got a lip balm. This time I've got a sheet mask. If you know me, I'm not into sheet masks anymore because I feel they're very unhealthy for the environment, and it's literally just serum, loads and loads of serum. I would rather invest in a serum bottle than in a one-time use sheet mask, but since I have it, I will use it. This is the Nykaa Skin Secrets. I'll put it in my refrigerator so that, you know, I'll get some really nice, amazing sheet mask use, because I'm literally using a sheet mask after a year. And wow, this is not supposed to be such a chatty video. I'm gonna quickly go take a shower. Ready. I'm so excited. I miss getting ready in a rush and trying to put in efforts without looking too overdressed, like the whole shenanigan that happens in your mind when you have to get ready. I miss it. Anyways, I have to go with my dad, and he's sitting on top of my head because apparently he got ready 5 minutes before me. So yeah, I don't have to wear any makeup because Corona life. Didn't see you, but now that you're here, woo! What's up, people? That's my OOTD. Oh my god, I'm wearing like a legit outfit after what feels like forever. I just got back home. I literally removed my earrings and I was like, damn you, Insta, you freaking rude, okay? Like, that's not fair. I was talking and just cut me off, and now I don't remember what I was talking. Cute. But yeah, after staring at myself for a hot minute in the mirror, I think it's time to get coming to some update. It's currently 2 o'clock and I'm about to have my lunch, and for lunch I'm having a huge bowl of salad because hello, dieting. Ooh. Oh shit. Oh well, hi, didn't see you, but now that you're here, it's some update time. Currently it is exactly 5:30 something, and yeah, clearly that little clip was honestly me trying to keep myself entertained this lockdown, not even kidding. But yeah, what's up, people? How are you doing? Give me all the tea. I'm waiting for you to spill something in the comments or in the DMs because I love gossip and I love spilling some tea, listening to the tea, all of that fun stuff. But yeah, for me, I have been editing on my phone. Like I told you, my laptop has crashed. I am going to give it for repair tomorrow. Hopefully everything is fine. But yeah, I honestly miss the convenience of vlogging and editing on phone. Although there are not a lot of things you can do. I mean, don't get me wrong, you can do a lot of things, but I'm lazy and I'm also not that tech friendly. So this is the best I can do. And also I'm so sorry, the last 2 footages were made on Instagram story filters, and clearly Instagram wouldn't let me talk for more than 15 seconds. That's like so rude. I mean, it's not like I cannot talk within 15 seconds. If I really want to, I can really finish a sentence, but like, really, would you understand a word is the question. So yeah, I'm gonna stick to my OG classic non-filter filter. But yeah, I'm really having fun with my vlog and edits. God, I talk a lot. But yeah, I hope you are keeping yourself hydrated. And yes, I just took a nap and I'm going to regret it so badly tonight, because if you know this, it's very important to have your sleep schedule in place for losing weight. I mean, literally everything you do is related to weight at this point. Like it's kind of rough. But yeah, just try and get your sleep schedule together. I'm saying that literally, of course. Dang it, clearly nobody calls me, nobody loves me enough to call me. Just kidding. But yeah, I'm just gonna finish this and watch some Prime and not feel guilty, and hopefully this vlog will be up tomorrow without any reasons, because मैंने इसका already edit कर दिया है इसके पहले वाले clips. I'm like really proud and like feeling professional. And in terms of my tonight plans, I mean, if I tell you already, what are you gonna watch, huh? Oh my god, who is she? It's me, you guys. Oh my god, I am freaking dressed up. It's currently 7:84, you get the point. But yeah, this is how I'm looking. And oh my god, a quick story time about this. I got this last year on my birthday to wear in college because like, why not? And oh my freaking god, and this was my first ever XL that I had taken. I used to usually wear double XL, and this was my first XL, and oh my god, I cannot wait to go back into the store and buy something in a medium or a large. I don't know, but I'm really excited because honestly, kitni baar hua hai ki I would like a kurti in those sections and they would be like, ma'am, ye aapki size nahi hai, and things like that. And now I'm gonna be like, girl, I am what? I am a large. I am what? I'm a medium. I am what? I'm a freaking independent woman who has lost some weight. Oh my god, yeah. So this just happened. Let's sink in. I'm talking about my makeup because everything is about me, myself. I did a very cliche basic makeup, and I will get you a rundown of it in case if you want to know what I've done. I've kept it very simple because like really you want me to put my Huda Beauty foundation for a 5-minute thingy? This is for efforts. And they wouldn't even come to know if I'm wearing a Huda Beauty or like a Pond's BB cream, which is exactly what I'm wearing right now as my base. I'm wearing my Pond's BB cream and I absolutely love it. And for my eyes, I'm actually using a Colourpop single eyeshadow. I'm not sure if you can get it anymore. But yeah, it's this one right here. It's like this duochrome thingy, and it's called Kindness, and I absolutely love it. I didn't even bother to like blend it or whatever. Like, really, this is just so that mera shagun ka paisa kate nahi. Just being honest. And for lipstick, because I know you guys love my lipstick combinations, I have two lipsticks on. The base lipstick is this L18, and this is in the number, oh my god, 12M, and I have mixed it in with my NYX Lip Lingerie, and this is in the number 07. So I've just mixed these two to have this going. And for accessories, I'm wearing this. I know it's gold, but it dikhega nahi, and I'm wearing some jhumkas because why not? And that's my OOTD, ताकि मुझे अच्छे से अच्छे शगुन के पैसे मिले and मैं उसको उड़ा सकूँ. Damn girl, this is one of my Rakhi gifts. I got this designer lehenga. Ignore the black top, the focus is this lehenga. It is so absolutely freaking pretty. Like, my camera is not doing justice. It's got this shiny material, and it's got these beads at the bottom, and the colors on here are so freaking vibrant. My camera and my skills are not doing any justice. Oh my god, I absolutely freaking love this. Good morning people, rise and shine. I'm trying to avoid showing you my room right now because kapde sukhaye rakhe hai, because it's raining cats and dogs here, and I'm absolutely loving the weather. Also, with that being said, half of the Mumbai is flooded, which is not cute, but I'm not stuck in one of those places like usual, so that's okay. With that being said, we've had power cuts since the past 3 to 4 hours, since morning 6 I believe. That just happened, and I just wanted to end today's vlog, but guess what I just got? Ta-da! I love Amazon for shipping even in times like this. Like, you can clearly see my current obsession is shower gels, and this one is the Luxe pink variant. I'm really excited to try it out, and hopefully I will let you my reviews about it super soon on yet another vlog. So definitely subscribe, and I really hope you enjoyed this cute little vlog. If you did, you know what to do. Give this video a big thumbs up, and also don't forget to subscribe. You can follow me on my socials. I'll see you soon. Goodbye.